tutorial I am trying to demonstrate how you can add responsive starter templates plugin, create an account and import the templates. So I went into plugins and I am searching for responsive starter templates. Once you get the template name over here, you can activate this plugin. Okay, the plugin is activated. Now you can see there's a menu with the name responsive. Click on the responsive menu, and from now onwards you need to create an account to access the template. So there are two ways. You can click on the responsive menu, select dashboard, and then you can click on the settings tab. Over here you can see there are two options. Create a free account if you are new to the plugin, and create your existing account if connect to your existing account if you are already using this plugin. So because I have just installed the plugin, I'll click on create a free account, and this opens up a window where I need to enter my details. So I'm adding my email address and setting up a password. Okay, click on the I accept terms of use and privacy policy and click on the sign up and connect button. Once you click on that button, you will see a button that says connect your WordPress and the website URL is provided. Click on that button. You will be redirected to the same page. Now you can see the message has changed. Now it says your website is connected to Cybergems Responsive. You can access the plugin settings and unlock new features. It is showing my email. There's a site key that will be unique on all the websites, and the plan is showing as free. I'll click on start importing templates. Here you can find all the templates. So let's say I'm looking for a catering service template. I'll select this template. So there are three options. Either you can go back and select some another template. There's an option to import the site, and there is an option to import a specific page. So the template means a specific page. I am looking to download a site. I'll click on that option. You can see I am not prompted anywhere, and I can go ahead and complete the importing. Now I'll show you what happens if you are trying to access the templates directly and you don't have any account created. Basically you can import the free as well as pro templates. All you need to do is create an account. I am disconnecting this and I'll try to show you if I am trying to access the templates directly, what is the message I get. So if I select this template, and I click on import site, I see a pop-up that asks me to create and connect to an account. If I click here, again I will go to the same window. Here I can log in because I have already created an account, so it is just asking me to connect to WordPress website. Now that I am connected, I can go ahead and import this site. Now if I click on import site, it doesn't prompt me and I can do skip and start importing. It will take around a minute to complete the importing process and our website will be ready. And by the way, you can also see the progress which is shown here in the form of percentage, and this is what's happening in the background. So you don't need to do anything from scratch. Everything is being handled right from importing and adding the templates, installing them, installing the page builder and creating pages for you. And that's it. It was very fast. The website is already built, and let's wait for the 100% completion. It's done. It took only 47 seconds. Now I'm clicking to view my website, and here is the website. So you can see how easy it is to use the Responsive Starter Templates plugin and import any website for you, for your clients. And that's it. Again, if you go on to dashboard, from this menu you will see in the settings tab, your site should show a connection is established. Yes, your website is connected to CyberGems Responsive. And that's it.